Hi everyone. So in this study we will learn how to create a stopwatch using JavaScript. We are going to use this library EasyTimer.js to create a stopwatch. I will add link of this web page in the description also. And there are a couple of nice methods which we can use. For example, start method to start a timer, stop method, pause, reset. Also there are events which we can use. So let's start with this library. We need to go to this dest folder and there is EasyTimer.min.js. Simply click on raw here, copy this, go to code editor. So we'll create a file here EasyTimer.js and simply paste it. Save it. Now let's work on the HTML file. So we need a basic structure and a link to our style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom. The first file is EasyTimer.js. Just copy and paste it. It will be script.js. Now we need a div element here. We'll give it a class of timer info. We need a couple of h1 elements. Text will be 2 digits 00. Okay. And here I'll make it hours. It will be minutes. It will be seconds. And it will be sec-tenth. This h1 element will basically show value of 1/10 of a second. As you know, 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. The moment when this timer will hit 100 milliseconds, we'll get 1 here. When it will hit 200 milliseconds, we'll get 2 here, and so on. Now we need buttons. So class will be buttons. Let's create 3 buttons here. First will be start. Just copy and paste it. It will be pause. It will be stop. Let's give it a ID. Stop. It will be pause and it will be start. Save it. Go to style sheet. Select timer info class and the buttons class. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Select button element. Padding will be 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Margin will be same, 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Save it. Open this file in the browser. And this is the output. Now I want a colon after 2 digits like a timer. So I will make use of this selector h1 plus h1. This basically means select all the h1 elements except the first one. Here I'll make use of before selector, then content property, and it will be colon. Save it, go to browser, and this is the output. Now let's work on the JavaScript file and add events to all these buttons. So let's select the start button first. Let's make it start btn. Okay. So it will be start. I have to select by ID. So there will be hash. Now just copy and paste it. It will be pause. It will be stop. Same goes here. Pause btn and stop btn. Also we need to show the time on the screen. So we'll select the h1 elements also. So let's make it hours. Same goes here. Copy and paste it. So it will become minutes. It will become seconds. It will become sec-tenth. Same goes here. Minutes, seconds, and sec-tenth. Now the first thing which we have to do is to initialize the timer. So it will be EasyTimer.timer. Now let's add the event listener to the buttons. Event will be click. Let's copy and paste it, and here it will become pause, and here it will become stop. Here we'll call timer.stop method to stop the timer. Here it will be timer.pause, and here we'll call start method, but we'll pass a configuration object here. Let's go to the GitHub page. So in the configuration object, you need to provide this precision property, and it will basically represent the timer update frequency. In this case, I'll go with second tenths. Just copy it, put precision here, and second tenths. This simply means timer will get updated 10 times per second. Now we need to add an event listener to this timer. So we'll get the update 10 times per second, and this is the event. Let me show it to you. So this is the event which will be triggered, and this is the function which I want to execute. I want to get the timer value. So there's a method get time values. Okay, it will return an object which will contain these properties. Let's update the timer on the screen. So hours.inner text will be equal to object hours.toString. Paste it 3 times, so it will become seconds. Sorry for that, it will be minutes, it will be seconds, and it will be second. Same goes here, so it will be minutes, it will be seconds. Let me check this out. It will be second tenths. Great. Now just save it, go to browser, click on start. So it's not working, something is wrong. Okay, easy timer is not defined. Let me see what I did wrong. Okay, it should be like this. Let me copy and paste it. Okay, T should be caps. Sorry for that. Also, let me check the file. So it is EasyTimer.js. Also, it should be time values, not timer values. Save it. Now click on start. So it's working absolutely fine. Pause, stop, start. The only thing which I want 2 digits here. Okay, let's go to script file. I will make use of pad start method here. So I want at least 2 digits. If it is less than that, I want to prepend 0 to it. Okay, now just copy and paste it. Save it, go to browser, click on start, click on pause. Now the moment when you will click on start again, it will resume. See, the moment when you will click on stop, it will stop. Now you click start, it will restart. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.